Vic the pup is on his way to learn, explore, and laugh today. Vic's Adventures, let's go play!
Hi friends, today is a big science day with Vic. Oh no, Vic tries to blow up a balloon, but it won't blow up. Do you think science could help? And guess what? We're also going to make a volcano erupt. Let's put our safety gear on first, then head to the science center. Scientists always stay safe with the grown-ups' help. And we have goggles to protect our eyes and an apron to keep our clothes clean. Now we're ready! For this experiment, you need a plastic bottle, a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, and a grown-up helper. First, pour vinegar into the bottle. Now carefully put baking soda into the balloon. And this part needs a grown-up. Stretch the balloon over the bottle. Don't let the powder fall in yet. Ready? Vic lifts the balloon so the baking soda can fall in. Whoa! Look, it's getting bigger. It's blowing up all by itself. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they make a gas. The gas needs space, so it fills the balloon. Now, let's head outside to the Science Center sandbox. First, Vic builds a sand mountain. Place a small cup in the middle, and now our volcano is ready. Let's add the baking soda into the cup. Vic thinks that's not enough, so he sneaks in and pours a big scoop. Uh-oh, that looks like a lot. Let's add red food coloring so our lava looks like a real volcano. Good thing Vic is wearing his apron. Food coloring can stain. Finally, it's time to pour in the vinegar. Suddenly, red foam blasts up and splats onto Vic's face. Oh no, I think he added too much baking soda. Look, our volcano is erupting. Whoa! When baking soda and vinegar mix, what do they make? That's right, gas. When we add more baking soda, we make more gas. And more gas makes a bigger eruption. Which science experiment was your favorite? If you want to try this at home, remember, always have a grown-up's help. Thanks for watching Vic's Adventures. We'll see you next time on a new adventure.